What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zay. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. It's your first time here, man. You know, I appreciate y'all for going and stopping by and everything. All right, look at my car. You feel me? It's like, what the heck? All right, so y'all know we gotta have a story time. All right, so I'm gonna go and hop in this truck right here, and I'm gonna let y'all know. All right. So what happened was, and it's not my fault, not one bit. Alright, so, and it's crazy the way this stuff happened. Alright, so look, check this out. So, I'm gonna start from the beginning, man, because it's crazy. So, we were leaving, well, we weren't leaving yet. I was sitting in the house chilling and everything, playing my game, and, you know, my wife, Dominique, she was like, hey, I'm hungry, let's go get something to eat and everything. And I was like, alright, cool, I'll do that shit, you know what I'm saying? She was like, no, I want to get out the house. And I was like, I don't really feel like getting out the house, you know what I'm saying? I can just DoorDash shit, you know. And they bring, you know, I was playing the game. And plus, it was like 5 o'clock. And if you from Houston, bro, if you live in Texas, I'm pretty sure it's anywhere in Texas, big ass state, 5 o'clock is like the worst freaking traffic, all right? So I ended up saying, you know what, all right, let's go, you know what I'm saying? Let's go get the food. So we were headed to Sonic, going down the highway and everything. And we went down the highway, and a car, well, the traffic was already backed up and everything, so we were getting in the turning lane, and I'm sitting there driving and everything, and then all I hear is Zay, and you know what I'm saying? And then boom, some lady hit the side of my car. She hit the side of my shit. And bro, like, what happened, what I believe happened on her end is, well, it's not what happened on her. It's not what I think. It is what happened. All right. So she was coming out of this it looked like a grocery store parking lot or something like that, and she tried to cut across traffic. You know what I'm saying? So she tried to hurry up and cut across traffic and everything, and I guess she didn't see us coming up on the side of the car. So, you know, instead of going out there, you know, slowly, and you know, why would you even do this anyway around this time? Like I said, if you're from Houston, you know what that traffic looked like around 5 o'clock. But yeah, it's like she was she just, I don't know, bro, like that jump, it was crazy. But anyway, so yeah, she was coming across, she was trying to cut across traffic all fast and shit, and me and my family was coming up on the side of the vehicles going into the turning lane, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, we sitting there, we getting into the turning lane, and then she coming across traffic, and then Nick screamed my name, and I'm like, and then, you know, that's when the shit happened, bro. Like, she just hit the side of my shit. And the crazy thing is, I had my son with me, and she had a baby in the car with her as well. So, you know, what the freak you got going on? We pulled over and everything, and it took the cops, like I called the cops as soon as it happened. You know, I'm from Georgia. From Alabama, I'm from Georgia. Like, so if you get into a car accident, you call the cops, you sit there, you wait till the cops come. All right. So as soon as it happened, I called the cops, and she said she called the cops too. And you know, we were just sitting there waiting and everything. We started getting our insurance and everything ready, and freaking 30 minutes go by, and I was like, okay, where the cops at? You know what I'm saying? So we called the cops again, and then they was like, yeah, you just called, you know, reporting an accident, blah blah blah. And I was like, yeah, we're just sitting here waiting for y'all to come. They was like, oh yeah, we'll get somebody out there as soon as we can. I'm like, okay. So we're sitting there chilling, waiting again, and then freaking 30 more minutes go by, no cops show up. And so then that's when Dominique, my wife, called the cops. And then they was like, yeah, the vehicle's still drivable, y'all don't have to sit there, y'all can just go home. I'm like, what the fuck? And so I called the cops again, and then they was like, yeah, you just called, you know, reporting. I was like, yeah. And I was like, my wife just called, they told her that we can just go home if we want to. I was like, we got into a car accident. Like, is that how y'all do it in Texas and shit like that? And so they're like, oh, just calm down, we'll get somebody out there as soon as possible. So freaking 2 hours go by, and then we finally get cops out there. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, where I'm from, bro, you know, you get into a car accident, you gotta wait for the cops to come. That way you can get the police report, you can get the information, blah, 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 and then you send it to the insurance company, and they, you know, they start handling shit. So I'm like, if I just get in my freaking car and leave, then, you know, somebody can say I like fled the scene or something like that. You know, like a hit and run. Well, I mean, I ain't hit shit, but you know what I'm saying. So it was just crazy. Cause I'm like, what the hell? And we just sitting in a gas station parking lot right there up front of where that accident happened. We just sitting in the gas station parking lot looking fucking stupid. You know, I'm sitting there with this big ass crumpled up shit on the side of my car, and she's sitting there with no freaking bumper, and you know, her car just fucked up. But you know, people just sit there for the past 2 hours, just been sitting there, just riding by, just looking and shit. And I'm like, bro, where the cops at, bro? I'm ready to get out of here. I'm like, I'm not even hungry no more. I done forgot all about Sonic and everything. Like Dominique and my son and my mom, because my mom had came. Dominique, my son, and my mom had went to get food and everything, and I was like, I'm not even hungry no more. Like, you know, everybody know I love my car, bro. So I was just sitting there bummed, bro. So that's pretty much what happened with this. So now I'm headed right now to go drop my car off so it can get fixed and everything. So I get a rental and all that, like her insurance paying for everything. So, you know, I'm cool on it. So that's where I'm headed now. But, you know, it was just crazy, bro. You know, so like, moral of the story, bro, like, look, if it's, well, whether it's a lot of traffic or no traffic, bro, just be careful crossing the street. You never know, you know, what's gonna happen and everything. Like, I didn't expect to get in a fucking car accident when I was leaving the house. You know, I was just planning on going to get something to eat. You know what I'm saying? So, and you know, you just got to be careful, bro, because especially if you do get in the car, so you don't know who in the other vehicle. And the side that she hit is the side that my son was sitting on. So like when it happened, bro, like when we got, like soon as we got like hit, bro, like me and Dominique was just sitting there like just trying to make sure he was all right. You know what I'm saying? But it was just crazy, dog. Like I said, just be careful out here, especially in freaking Texas, bro, because I never been to any city. I mean, Florida close, but no other place drive crazier than freaking Texas. And it's just crazy, bro. And I just try to be cool on the road and everything. I ain't be trying to bully nobody in traffic and nothing. You know, just do what y'all do, as long as I get to make it home safe. But it was pretty jacked up that my car got messed up. But like I said, my family was fine and it's getting fixed, and I ain't gotta pay for nothing, so I'm cool on that. So yeah, I'm gonna go drop this car off right quick, y'all. And I guess I hit y'all up when I get there, because I'm finna get ready to jump on the interstate now. So I hit y'all up either when I get there or when I leave. You know, either way, you know, check out the rental and everything, because I don't even know what kind of freaking rental car I'm getting. But I don't care, bro. Like, to be honest, I don't even care. As long as my car get fixed, that's all I want, for real, bro. I promise you, that's all I want, is for my car to get fixed. So y'all finna, well, first I'm gonna put some gas in, I'm gonna jump on this interstate, and I'm gonna head to this collision center, and I'll check with y'all back in a bit, all right? All right, y'all, I made it to the place. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Okay, Collisions. And once again, here go the side of my damn car. Feel me? So it's like, bro, like, how did that even happen? You know what I'm saying? And you got all this right here bent. I was told my damn center post, my door post is bent. I don't know how they're gonna fix all this, but I can't wait. I can't wait for them to fix it. And I know they gotta replace both of these doors. And I hope they go ahead and tint my windows back and everything, and I don't have to pay nobody to tint those. But like I said, I'm just glad the family good. I'm glad I'm getting my car fixed, if they can fix it. This never happened to me, y'all, so I don't know how it works, but we're gonna see. My appointment's at 7:30, but shit, it's like 7:08 right now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't even know how long it's gonna take him. In the meantime, y'all, like I said, once we get the little rental car, whatever we supposed to be getting, you know what I'm saying, I'll hit y'all up. Let y'all know, you know, I'm gonna keep y'all updated and everything, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, bro. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Ain't no telling what you're gonna see on this channel, man. For real. Especially like crazy stuff like this, like nobody would have expected that right there, so. Like I said though. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all in just a bit. Alright, y'all, we back. Had to change the shirt, man. It got hot, man. And I was sweating out that other shirt, so I had to change my shit up. So anyway though, we back with the video, you feel me? So check this out, man. They hooked me up with a vehicle now. I dropped my car off. I miss my car, I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. But they hooked me up with a nice little car and everything, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show it to y'all yet. But they gonna go ahead and hook my car up, and as far as this one go, this is what I'm gonna be riding around in for the next week or a week and a half, however long it takes me to fix my car. So, but anyway, y'all, here you go. So they hooked me up with this Ford Escape. I don't know what year it is, but can I do that? Yeah, okay, so boom, that's a Ford Escape. I don't know what year it is, like I said, but this thing is pretty nice now. Look, check this out. Got the nice little headlights on it. Now, this ain't no car that I would. This ain't no car that I would go to a dealership and pick out. But if I'm being honest with y'all, bro, this shit pretty. It's pretty dope. But like I said, it's the Ford Escape. Got the nice little screen right here. Got the push button. Start that bad boy up. Let me see. Yes, sir. Like I said, this thing pretty damn nice, y'all. As far as like all this, the console and everything go, all that shit. Got the screen right here with the backup camera on it and everything. Got the little knob right here for the gears and everything. And of course, you know, we got the back seat. Got my son car seat back there already. But I was trying to figure out how to let this damn seat down. I don't even know. But yeah, small little, you know, it's a small little SUV or whatever. But you know, I'm gonna drive the fuck out of it. I don't care at all. You know? But anyway, yeah, it's pretty nice fucking car. You know, I'm not picky. I'm just glad my car getting fixed. I don't care. They could have gave me a fucking station wagon. I would have drove the shit out of it. Just the fact of knowing my car's getting fixed and shit. So yeah, but overall, this is a nice ass car. If I had to rate it on a scale of 0 to 10, as far as the car go, I'd say about a good 7, 7.5, 8. It's pretty damn dope. So that's the car, like I said. You know, nice little console area. Back seat got a lot of room. I had an F-150, you feel me? And it had this down here, which is like a little plug outlet. You know, where you can like actually plug something in, not like the little lighter thing, but I like that about it. That's one of the main things I like about it. I like the leather seats, of course, and then, yeah, and then this one, I was sitting there pulling it down earlier. I think you can either push that button or you kick your foot under this on. Oh, hell yeah. Did it work? No? Oh, bro, that's fucking dope. Yo, bro, what the fuck? All right, anyway, though, y'all, let me get back to this. Man, look, so, yeah, pretty damn dope car. This shit right here hard. I don't know, but it's pretty damn nice. There go the car, y'all. Like I said, pretty damn nice. And sitting there and thinking about it, bro, it's not really, you know, about the car you're gonna drive or stuff like that. I'm just glad my family all right, and, you know, that my car is getting fixed, so that's pretty much all I'm caring about right now. I don't even care what kind of car. Like I said, they could have gave me a station wagon, and I'm gonna get in the house, it's fucking hot. But yeah, they could have gave me a station wagon. I would have been, you know, fucking fine with it. But, you know, overall, like I said, the family's good, the car's getting fixed, so we straight. But yeah, if y'all haven't already, man, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share this channel with a friend. Like I said, ain't no telling what you're gonna see on there. I said pranks, and, you know, vlogs and shit, and I'm here filming how I got into a damn car accident. So yeah, just share the video up, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all for stopping by. It's your boy Zay. I'm out.